We have an after-hours alert on Uber. Shares are sharply lower in the after-hours. Seema Modi's got the story. Seema.
Melissa, shares of Uber falling, a block of 45 million shares being offered by Goldman Sachs, that according to Bloomberg. So this would be an equity offering that would thereby dilute existing shareholders. We have reached out to Uber for comment, and yes, we are looking at shares of Uber down about 4% here in extended trade. Melissa?
All right, Seema, thank you. Seema Modi. Guy, what do you make of this headline?
So I don't know what today is, the 28th or something? So August 4th. Don't see, you're making a face. I'm asking you a question. It's July 28th.
You have a calendar app, so check it.
I do. I'm looking at it now. August 4th would be next Wednesday, not Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, why do I bring that up? Because Uber's going to report on Wednesday. So this is how my mind works. If the earnings are going to be great, they would wait, in my opinion, till around that time to have a headline like this come out. Why would you do this ahead of earnings? That's just the way. Not saying anything. That's how I think, though. That's a trader's mentality.
Right.
The more you know, the more you know. Put that music up.
Yeah. I mean, you think about sort of the worst case scenario, conspiracy theory-esque explanation. So, Steve, I'll go to you.
Yeah.
What do you think?
What's today's date?
I said the 28th.
So when I look back on the chart, I look back at a couple of dates back in November 2020. It looks like the chart is rolling over to those levels. So maybe I just caught his pessimism. But when I look at the chart, it's definitely a continuation of the roll here. So I'd have to agree that this is a setup that is definitely one for the Bears.
Pete, why don't you weigh in?
What date is it, Pete?
No, not on that. Don't laugh. Pete, don't laugh. That just encourages them. Do not laugh. Answer the question. What do you think of Uber?
Sorry. Sure. I actually own calls in here, Mel, and I'm a little bit disappointed that I do because I've tried to teach myself not to be involved in this name because of the fact that they still have not proven to us when. They all tell us when they're going to start making money, but they need to start making money. They're not, and that's sort of one of the biggest problems that I've got right now with the stock. It's why I'm in the options, not the stock itself. But I got to tell you something. It's storylines like this that hit, and then there'll be some other storyline. There's all kinds of reason for people to have pressure on this stock. And right now, when you look at it against some of the other levels, like Steve was pointing out, I mean, $44, that seems like a level where we've seen before. We've tested it. It breaks through there. I think there's a lot more room to the downside.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.